Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Home, stay safe. Don't move anywhere. Nowadays everyone's are moving here and there, like in picnic places, but you don't go anywhere, है ना? कोरोना is not स्टॉप्ड, भी बंद नहीं हुआ है ना. डोंट गो इन स्विमिंग पूल, है ना? कहीं पे भी नहीं जाना. जस्ट स्टे एट होम. इफ इट इज मैरिज फंक्शन, इफ इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, देन यू गो ओनली. ओके. डोंट मूव फॉर पिकनिक, बिकॉज पिकनिक में बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हो रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट द फॉलो द रूल्स. So many people has not wear a mask. Okay, so stay at home only. Before we start anything, let's pray to God. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and 3 times Omkara. Take a long breath. Start a Gayatri mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodaya. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Naha Prachodaya. Everyone, rub your hands, beta. Put your finger on your face. Now slowly open your eyes. You be a peaceful person. Be concentrate on your study. Okay guys, in the last video what we learn, हमने क्या लर्न किया था? This page number 53, numbers 41 to 51 already learn कर लिया. Okay. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. 40, फिर 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay? Clear? Now here what is there? Here write your date and CW beta. Then write the numbers from 21 to 50. 21 से start करके you have to write till here 50 number. Nothing is new, just this number you have to copy here. 21, 31 wala and 41. This 303 line. So I am not writing here. Okay, beta, this is your CW, but you write yourself. कैसे? Just copy these numbers. 21. Okay, लाओ मैं साथ में लिखवा देती. 22 speak and write. 22. 23 speak and write beta. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. Then here is 41, 42, 43. Write with good handwriting. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. Done? Chalo, here is question number 2. FILL fill in the missing numbers. जो बीच बीच में नंबर है वो आपको फिल करना है. I have already written. You also write now. 21, 22, write here 23, 24, 25 is here and 26. Okay? Next कहाँ से start करना? देखो. Here is the 41 already given to you. So write 41 के before का number 40 because 4 as it is and 1 before 0. So your number is 40. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay. And here is 23. So which one is missing? 24. 25, 26 is missing. 27 and 28. Clear? And in this side, where we have to start from 24, right here 25, 26. You write with me. मेरे साथ में ही आप लिखते जाओ बेटा. 27, 28 and 29. फिर here first number already given to you 32. So 33, 34, 35, 36 and 37. Next one 40 is given to you. 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44 and 45. Clear beta? This is your missing number and what you have to do here? Here is write WRITE. Write the number names. Number के names लिखना है in the boxes. This boxes is here. चलो let's write. 21 I already written. मैंने पहले से लिख कर रख दिया है. 21 TWENTY 20 ONE1 21. Next one 30 THIRTY 30. Next one is 40 FORTY 40. Here U is skipped away. Okay, flying away. Just FORTY 40. Next one is 50. What is the spelling of 50? FIFTY. Next one 38. THIRTY 30 EIGST 8. Next one 27. TWENTY 27 SEVEN. Next one 36. THIRTY 30 and 6 SIX. This spelling you know very well. 48 FORTY 40 EIGST 48. And last one is 19. NINETWEN 19. Okay. In the next page of textbook, page number 55. Everyone turn your page. सामने is the सामने वाला portion. Okay. Write here also date and CW. Okay. Date and CW. चलो. Now what match 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 the numerals. This is it's called numerals and NUMERALS numerals with the correct number names. Correct number names. Number name के साथ match करना है. Okay. तो which number is 5? 2, 5, 25. Where is 25? Here is TWENTY 25. This already given. Okay. Now 3, 8, 38. Where is 38? 38 is here. THIRTY 30 EIGST 38. Okay. Now 2, 7, 27. So where is 27? 27 is here. TWENTY 27 SEVEN. 27. चलो match with it. Okay. Next one is 24, 2 4 24. So TWENTY 24. Okay. 40. जो लास्ट वन में FORTY 40 is here. Clear guys, this is your matching. And next one is WRITE, write the number names. आपको नंबर का नेम्स करना है. From their जम्बल्ड वर्ड है, उसी में से ही आपको इसी में से जम्बल, फिर write this exercise. Okay, you have to continue with this exercise. Okay students, our next exercise, write the number names from the jumble word. Here is this is the number name, but it's in a jumble है ना. So we have to correct it. इसको correct करना है. क्या करना है? We have to correct it. So what is the spelling of 50? देखो, here is the number already given 50. उसका स्पेलिंग दिया है TYFFI. तो करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ 50 इज FIFTY 50. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन 46. तो OFRTY XIX. ओके. तो व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग, करेक्ट स्पेलिंग ऑफ 46? 46 FORTY 40 SIX. 46 SIX. Okay. Next 25. WENTTYT VIFE. Which one is correct spelling? TWENTY 20 FIVE 25. Next one 32. IRTHYTWOT. What is the correct spelling? 32. Sorry. 30 THIRTY 30 फिर TWO. This is the spelling of 32. Next one is 20. To write the correct spelling of 20. TWENTY. Clear? This is your CW. This matching and these number names. Okay. Now which page we are there? देखो, this already done. 19. Write the number names in the box. This page already done. This is 21, 30, 40. ठीक है. This one also done. Now guys, you have to do in your textbook page number. Which one page is? Page number 56. Which page is that beta? 56. Okay. Write your date and CW here. Write your date and CW here only. Okay. No, it's okay. Before, after, between number रहने दो. जैसे वर्कशीट में पेज नंबर, व्हाट इज योर होमवर्क? पहले मैं होमवर्क एक्सप्लेन कर. वर्कशीट पेज नंबर 38. This portion is your homework. 23/7 homework. And same homework in a textbook. Homework 23. Okay, 23/7. ये चीज and this one is your homework. And today is also CW there. Listen guys, मैं और एक CW जैसे करवा दे रही हूँ. Write your CW and date. Okay. चलो. Write the number names of the following numbers. जो ये नंबर्स दिए हैं उसी का हमें क्या करना है? नंबर नेम लिखना है. So what is the spelling of numbers name 21? TWENTY 21. Okay. Which spelling is this? 37. So THIRTY 37 SEVEN. Next one 48. What is the spelling of 48? FORTY 48 EIGHT. Next one 35. THIRTY 35 FIVE. Clear beta? Next number is 11. What is the spelling of 11? ELEVEN. 11. Then this is the 21. So what is the spelling of 21? पहले 20 TWENTY 20, फिर ONE 1. Here is 10. It's so easy. TEN. Clear? Next one is 25. TWENTY 25. Clear beta? And what is here? Here is question 2. And what is the heading? Fill the missing numbers. जो नंबर है मिसिंग नंबर है उसी को आपको फिल करना है. कैसे? फर्स्ट इज 21, 22, 23 and here is 24 and 25. 26 is already here. Then exercise C में 31, 32, 33. So next number is 34, 35 and 36. And here is 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. Next number is, here is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clear? Here is 40, 40. Next number is 41, 42. Clear beta? Are you getting? Next one 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Okay. चलिए here is 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. And here is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. Clear beta? Okay. Here is your textbook wala page and okay students, so this is our worksheet and notebook or textbook. Okay. And next video what we learn? Next video we learn before, after and between number. हम ये number learn करेंगे. Okay. बट लेट्स स्टार्ट स्पीक द टेबल. थोड़ी देर टेबल बोल लेते हैं बिकॉज कितने दिनों से हमने टेबल किए ही नहीं है. लेट्स रिवाइड ओनली. फटाफट से एक बार और. 2 zeros, योर फिंगर शुड बी ऑन द लाइन. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Just speak with me, okay? Let's start the table of 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30, 4 zeros are 0, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 9s are 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Okay, next table of 5 is where? Table of 5 is here. Let's pick. 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. Okay students, this is the practice of our table of 2 to 4. Okay, our table of 6 is we will study in next video. Okay students, bye bye, have a nice day.